Heidi Peterson is a nurse practitioner at VitaliCare in Minot. She joins us now with some helpful tips. Hello there.
Good morning.
So let me ask you, why is winter wellness such a focus for VitaliCare?
Winter is often associated with sickness and social isolation in North Dakota.
Hmm.
And at VitaliCare, we really focus on prevention and we want to prevent those things. At your wellness visits, we can go through those healthy habits like eating nutritious meals, staying active indoors, taking care of your mental health, all those things that can help you stay healthy all season long.
I love that. And what are some top tips that you can recommend for staying healthy during the winter? Because I know that can be a little challenging sometimes to be like, oh, what can I do?
Absolutely. There's some really easy steps you can take to stay healthy, and that can include just staying really hydrated. The cold air outside, the indoor heating, all those things can cause you to become a little dehydrated. Prioritizing your sleep is essential. That good rest will support your immunity, improve your mood. Eating good, nutritious meals. We want you to partake in all the holiday treats, but really try to balance that out with nutritious meals. Take time for yourself. Rest is absolutely essential, and stay active if you can. Whether if you can't get outside, take some time to exercise indoors, whether that's short walks during the day or going to a gym that can improve your circulation and really reduce your stress.
Hmm. So what you're saying is like have some carrots with maybe some of the turkey and the treats.
Right. Absolutely.
So at VitaliCare, you guys support both physical and mental wellness, and you do that at the same time?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. I feel that mental health and emotional health are very strongly connected.
Okay.
When you're experiencing those symptoms of anxiety and depression, whether that is low mood, fatigue, or not sleeping well, you're not really able to take care of your physical self.
Hmm.
So, at every visit at VitaliCare, we do encourage members to bring forward any concerns they have regarding their emotional health. We screen for anxiety and depression and and really try to facilitate that communication because in turn we can discuss a treatment plan to get you feeling better. Excuse me, whether that is starting a medication or a referral to counseling or getting you connected with those resources in the community that can help.
Hmm. Well, it's really interesting how they're just so closely related and how sometimes we focus on one and not really the other.
No, they're very tied together.
So if there's like one health recommendation that you have for people between now and the end of the year, you would say like schedule your annual visit. Like, why is that?
Prevention is best. I encourage members to take every opportunity they can to remedy a problem before it becomes more serious, whether that's getting a vaccine to prevent a disease
Hmm.
or maybe getting your blood pressure under control to before it turns into something more serious like a heart attack. Preventative care can just save you so much, whether it's time away from work or time away from your job, the expense of an ER visit or walk-in clinic or even a hospitalization. So taking some of those preventative care steps can really save you in the long run.
Hmm. Well, and I know that some people can really get really nervous about seeking out care. What do you say to those people who are maybe a little bit shy or a little nervous to get them to come see you guys?
Yeah, I would say if you're feeling nervous about coming in, take a couple minutes and stop by our clinic. Get acquainted with the environment,
Hmm.
meet our awesome staff here, and then you can decide if you want to schedule. But the door is always open.
Okay, I love that. If people have more questions about winter wellness or just anything in general, how can they learn more?
schedule a visit with me, either by giving us a call, going online, or downloading the app at bcbsnd.me, and we can review all your winter wellness.
Well, that's super cool that you have an app. Thanks so much, Heidi, for being on and sharing with us today.
You're welcome. Thank you for having us.